before Thanksgiving and we're going grocery shopping, but we ain't eating manatees. We're headed out to catch lobster. All right, y'all, like I said earlier, it's the day before Thanksgiving. We're going grocery shopping. We ain't going after turkey and ham and pecan pies. We're going after lobster and lionfish. We'll see y'all in a minute. Hey, we'll be back like the electric bill. We flat tore them up like normal. Well, I tickled one giant out. Bree didn't know what was coming. Her eyes got about as big as golf balls when that giant came out. She, woo! Redneck, what are you doing, buddy? How about the free catch on the lionfish? Huh? Did you see me catch the lionfish? Woo!
Redneck, don't.
Yeah. Son, we went to Publix and there was buy one, get one free on every aisle, is all I can tell y'all. These are days that you don't want to get out of the water. About 78-degree temperatures. Oh, it's so nice. Bree, was that fun?
I was not expecting that big one to come out. He handed me the net, he put his arm in, and all of a sudden this huge one just struts out.
All right, I'm ready to get out of the water. All right, y'all, Bree and I have done a bunch together. She's taken me and done paddleboarding videos, introduced me to that. She has tank dove a bunch, but she's caught a ton of lobster, but never in this deep of water, never with me, how we do it. So that was a pretty neat experience. She hung from start to finish. She came down just right behind me, got to film, show y'all some different angles that I never get to show anybody. We flat did work, y'all.
What is it, Redneck?
Some of y'all buy extra large turkeys. We just caught a lobster as big as my dog. He's like, get it off. This is just. He's like, just get it off. Redneck.
How do you feel about that?
He's like, I ain't even looking at the camera for y'all. All right, now look at the camera. All right, y'all. Well, lobsters were buy one, get one free today. And we got all we could get. We got lionfish. We got some mangrove snapper. Y'all, if a cooler like that loaded down with fish and lobster don't excite you, I don't know what will. We're here in Jupiter, Florida. I don't even know if I introduced Bree to the video yet, but Bree, BA Fishing on YouTube, if you follow me, you already know who she is. Go to any one of her videos and comment and say, hey, why hasn't Bluegabe been on your channel yet? Because that's what I'm over here thinking. And ask her about her GoPro that she lost, that I had to go back down 80 feet and find. We'll see y'all at the dock. This is our hometown. This is where we grew up. And this is where I'll probably die, so don't get sick of the scenery because that's all y'all are getting. You see that right there? That's a lobster's mouth. And if you messed up and stuck your finger in there, you would regret it. But he's gonna regret letting me catch him because he's going on the grill. We're back at Aubrey's house. That's Lauren, for those of y'all that watched the, what video was it that I did? What video was it that I was talking about her with the lion? Oh, the hog video. All right, so for all y'all that watched the hog video that saw Aubrey in there talking about the bear, it was actually a lion. What school do you go to?
Columbia.
Columbia, she goes to Columbia, and that's in what, Massachusetts?
New York City.
New York City. New York City. We'll see y'all at the house. All right, so last night I was gonna cook y'all like a full course meal, but one of the things that I pride myself on when I go shoot a show I show you guys like literally the next day. I don't like doing a video today and then showing you like a week from now. So I got home, I was tired. I'm like, you know what? Rico and I, the guy that's helping me edit, I said, come over, let's just get this video edited. I'll wake up in the morning and cook like a quick salad and a grilled lobster. But don't be disappointed, because today we're going out to Deer Meat for Dinner's Ranch where my family's doing Thanksgiving, and we're gonna be cooking lobster head soup. Obviously the turkeys and the hams, we're gonna do sporting clays, buggy rides, all kinds of stuff, and I'm gonna do more of like a vlog style video today on Thanksgiving Day, just to show you guys what the Arringtons do. But for right now, I'm gonna take just a little bit of fresh salad, some fresh avocado, some tomatoes, make a quick grilled lobster salad, eat it for lunch, edit the end of this video, upload it, send it to you guys, and then I'm headed to the ranch. All right, y'all, I haven't fed Frank in a little while, so let's go ahead and feed him. Here, Frank. Hey, here you go, Frankie. Hey, don't get scared. Don't get scared. Here you go, I'll just give it to you easy. Oh, thank you. Oh, yeah, that's good. That is a fish-eating crab, y'all. He will eat that piece of fish in like less than a minute. Just done. All right, the lobster will be done in about 2 minutes. I got me a fresh salad made. Look at this, look at it. Ooh. But here's how I'm gonna one up the salad. See that fresh ceviche? Bam. Look, I mean, but can y'all smell it? But can y'all smell it? It's gonna be so good. All right, that's a wrap. Y'all look at that meal. I mean, just look at it. Look at that. Grilled lobster to perfection. Little ceviche salad. It don't get no better than this. I've got about 10 minutes to eat. The kids are on their way. Their mom's dropping them off. They had Thanksgiving there at her house. Now we're going to have Thanksgiving at the ranch. I'm gonna eat this in peace, enjoy about 20 minutes of free time before the hectic starts. Let me just say, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for all the shares, positive comments, thanks for everything that y'all do. I hope you have a blessed Thanksgiving. I hope you have a blessed rest of the year. I hope you have a blessed life. Thanks for everything, but like Jake always says, we're getting up out of here and we're getting the heck out of shape.